The 2016 Rolls-Royce Dawn. The 2014 Rolls-Royce Wraith created quite a stir when it was unveiled at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show, mainly due to its gorgeous fastback-like shape, enormous amount of luxury, and the all-new satellite-aided transmission that uses GPS mapping data to preselect gears. It didn't take too long for the British company to announce a convertible version of the two-door vehicle, but we had to wait for more than a year to actually see the vehicle in the metal as a camouflaged prototype. With the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show just around the corner, Rolls-Royce unveiled its new luxury cabriolet. Although it was originally believed that Rolls-Royce will launch it as the Wraith Drophead Coupe, a name borrowed from the convertible version of the Phantom, the massive cabriolet will actually use the Dawn moniker. The name returns in the lineup after 6 decades, as Rolls-Royce used the designation on a limited run of 28 roofless rollers in the 1950s. Updated September 25, 2015, we've added a series of new photos we took at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. Find them in the Pictures tab. Continue reading to find out more about the Rolls-Royce Dawn. Exterior. Though most convertible versions of existing coupes are identical from the waist down, the Dawn's design has plenty of features to set it apart from the Wraith. It might not seem like it at first glance, but Rolls-Royce says that nearly 80% of the Dawn's body panels are new. This explains why the Brits decided to go with a separate name rather than Wraith Drophead Coupe, the moniker I initially thought it will receive. It might not seem like it at first glance, but Rolls-Royce says that nearly 80% of the Dawn's body panels are new. While the 80% bit seems like a lot of PR talk when comparing the two, the body panels aren't that different in terms of shape and size. There are a few details that set the Dawn and the Wraith apart. First, the headlamps have a different shape. Second, the grille was recessed by nearly 1.7 inches, while the bumper extended 2.1 inches, making for a longer front overhang. Third, the beltline arches up above the rear wheels, an effect that's less visible on the coupe. In all, the changes aren't very noticeable, but they're there and give the Dawn character. To some extent, it's like the Wraith received a mild facelift and had its roof chopped off. Rolls-Royce also offers new, polished 21-inch, and painted 21-inch and 20-inch wheels. The metal roof of the Wraith has been replaced by a 6-layer canvas top that retracts behind the open-pore wood deck behind the rear seats. Though the Dawn is devoid of the Wraith's sexy fastback silhouette, the shape of the trunk lid and the rear haunches echo the elegant design of vintage boat-tail roadsters. Exterior dimensions. Interior. Like the exterior, the interior benefits from everything available with the Wraith, except for the Starlight headliner and its 1,340 individual lights woven into the roofliner. Highlights include acres of wood, it features the largest contiguous portions of wood in any production car, and fine leather, wool carpets, and a wide array of upholstery colors and customization options. Rear legroom is generous inside the Dawn, which, according to Rolls-Royce, is not a 2+2, but a veritable 4-seater. In the world of Rolls-Royce, day-to-day mathematical norms don't always apply. That's why I say in the case of the new Rolls-Royce Dawn, 2+2 does not equal 4, said Rolls-Royce Director of Design, Giles Taylor. The idea of creating a car like Dawn that can be used in comfort by only 2 adults on a day-to-day basis is anathema. In creating Dawn we have accepted no compromise to the comfort and luxury of 4 adults who want to travel together in the pinnacle of style. All told, the Dawn is the most opulent convertible in this niche and its interior look more like a luxury yacht than a car. Technology-wise, it's also identical to the Wraith and features the BMW iDrive-based infotainment and navigation systems. Drivetrain. Not surprisingly, Rolls-Royce dropped the same 6.6-liter V12 found in the Wraith under the Dawn's hood. However, the Dawn is motivated by a Ghost spec unit, which means output sits at 563 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque, making the drop top significantly less powerful than its coupe sibling. For reference, the Wraith comes with 624 horses and 590 pound-feet of twist on tap. The power is routed to the wheels by the same ZF-built, 8-speed automatic, pushing the Dawn from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. Though it represents a half-second drop compared to the Wraith, it's still impressive for a vehicle that tips the scales at 5,644 pounds. As usual, top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour. Drivetrain specifications. Safety. Just like the Wraith, the Dawn is equipped with a range of frontal, side impact, and side curtain airbags, as well as knee airbags for both the driver and the front passenger. Other features include ABS, Rolls-Royce Assist, and a specifically designed rollover protection system that deploys from behind the rear head restraints. Also, the convertible comes with a heat detection system that detects both human and animal heat signatures, and issues an audible warning to the driver of possible danger. Prices. Expect the Rolls-Royce Dawn to go on sale for the 2016 model year with a sticker that goes past the $300,000 mark. Competitors: 2016 Bentley Continental GT convertible. Finding a rival for the Rolls-Royce Dawn is not easy, as very few convertibles have the necessary size and power. The Bentley Continental GT Speed seems to be the only vehicle suited to go against it. The other British luxury drop-top draws its power from a twin-turbocharged, 6.0-litre W12 mill that churns 626 horsepower and 607 pound-feet of torque. Significantly more powerful than the Rolls-Royce Dawn, the GT Speed is also a lot quicker, being able to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds on its way to a mind-boggling 206 mph top speed. That's mainly because the Conti is significantly lighter at around 5,100 pounds. More affordable than the upcoming Dawn at around $270,000, the Continental GT Speed convertible has a certain advantage when it comes to styling, looking sportier than the slightly bloated Rolls-Royce. Read more about the Bentley Continental GT Speed here and about the Continental GT convertible here. Conclusion. With only one convertible in its current lineup, the Phantom Drophead Coupe, Rolls-Royce was in dire need of a second drop top. The Dawn comes in to fill the gap, and although it might not look as exotic as the Wraith without a fastback roof, it should become a popular choice among folks looking for a smaller and slightly more affordable drop top. And while it may come with a small trunk relative to its size, it will offer better handling than the Ghost Drophead, making it Rolls-Royce's sportiest drop top yet. Love it, the most luxurious convertible you can buy in this niche, more than 500 horsepower and good performance, highly customizable. Leave it, the fastback design has gone no starlight headliner option, quite expensive exclusive rendering. Updated history. Updated the 8th of September 2015, as promised, Rolls-Royce dropped the official details on its latest addition to the lineup, the new Dawn. The model will make its official debut at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show and will be put on sale in the spring of 2016. Updated the 2nd of September 2015, Rolls-Royce dropped the first teaser images on its latest edition, the lineup. The new model will be unveiled online next Tuesday, September 8 at 9 a.m., with the public unveil to follow at 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. Spy shots. March 18, 2015, Rolls-Royce Dawn testing in the snow. May 8, 2014, first testing session.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.